Hello, I'm Janvi and I've chosen the track 1 of Mercor Hackathon. Now if we'll go to the code, so this is the code and having the giving the recommendations of movie and book based on what the user has entered in the previous conversation. So we are analyzing that, giving the personalized recommendations. Also you can see the prompt here, like if the user is having the movie or book in its chat, then it will be giving this prompt. Otherwise that is the journal prompt that we'll be using, and it will be tracking the message history, and based on the above history it will giving the output. Now this is the response of 200 if the user has correctly given the response. So now it is the message class that I have created. So it will be having the role and the content. Role is basically for the what is bot or a user, and the context is the context of the conversation. Now it is the config file having the API key. If we'll move to the demo part, so this is the deployed bot. Now if we'll start having the conversation with it, let's say give it is a hi. So he's asking to give some input. Let's say I am here to have the movie recommendations. So it will be asking for the genre. So let's say I want rom-com. So these are some of the movies that he has uh, recommended me. Let's say I'm interested in choosing the first one and ask for the IMDb rating of the particular movie. Okay, so this is the IMDb rating 6.7. Now let me ask for the summary of this movie. So this is the summary of the movie that he has recommended. Let's say now I'll ask for the similar movie. So it is taking the context from the above conversation and giving the output based on that only. So these are similar movies to the above one, the proposal. So it has recommended them. Let's say moving to the book recommendation part. So it is asking for which is the genre I am choosing. Let's say I am choosing mystery for now. So basically I asking for the book recommendations from the book. So this is asking for the genre or type I am interested in. Let's say I am giving it mystery. So this is the book that he has recommended me based on some, it is a psychological thriller. So based on that, let's say I'm interested in this and asking for the rating of this book. So rating is 4.02 out of 5. Let's say I'm asking for the author. So it will take the context from the above conversation only, and it will give the author's name, that is Lillian Flynn. So now let me ask for some what is the turning point in that book. So how the story changes around the turning point. So it will give the answer based on that. So basically it is giving, okay, it's not giving about that. So let me ask the turning point of the above movie only. Turning point of Gone Girl. So it is giving some other book only recommendation having the name as turning point. So we can have the specified word also. In the Gone Girl, it is giving the turning point as this one. Now if you'll see some similar books like this, so it will recommend all the similar books based on mystery only, which is from the context of Gone Girl. So yeah, these are the books that he is recommended. So these are some of the others mystery books. So we can have the personality conversation based on that. And thank you everyone.